Real talk, mamas. There is absolutely nothing more intimidating than the idea of pumping and storing your liquid gold in the middle of the African bush. You want the 5-star Serengeti vacation, you want the stunning luxury safari camp, but you are also panicking about how you are going to keep your breast milk perfectly chilled when you are thousands of miles away from civilization. I get it. But you do not have to choose between an epic adventure and your breastfeeding journey. Today, we are spilling the tea on exactly how to store and manage your breast milk at a luxury safari camp in the Serengeti. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your ultimate destination for navigating motherhood with serious style and passport stamps. We believe that having a baby shouldn't mean packing away your designer luggage or struggling with clunky strollers. But it does mean you need the ultimate game plan, especially for something as wild as an African safari. Grab your iced matcha, and let's dive into the ultimate survival guide for keeping your milk safe on the savannah. First things first, let's talk about the camp setup. When you book a 5-star tented camp in the Serengeti, you are off the grid, which means the camp runs on solar power. Before you drop thousands of bucks on this vacation, you need to email the concierge and explicitly request a dedicated, 24-hour mini fridge for your tent. Do not just assume every luxury tent has one that runs all night. Many eco-camps power down non-essential electricity after midnight to conserve solar energy. Tell them you need medical-grade refrigeration for breast milk. Luxury camps are all about VIP service. They will absolutely hook you up with a constant power source or provide a high-end Yeti cooler packed with fresh ice every single evening. Next up, let's talk about the game drives. You are going to be out in the Land Cruiser for hours, bouncing around looking at lions and elephants, and it gets hot. If you are pumping on the go, you need serious gear. This is where a high-end travel chiller is an absolute game changer. I am obsessed with the Sears Chill. It looks incredibly bougie, fits right alongside the diapers in your designer tote, and will keep ounces of your milk perfectly cold for 20+ hours using just a handful of ice from the camp bartender. You can literally pump in the back of the safari vehicle, pour it into the chiller, and keep your supply perfectly safe while you sip champagne at a bush sunset. Finally, let's talk about getting that milk all the way home. The journey back to the States is a long haul. When you fly out of the bush airstrip and connect through your international hub, you need a solid freeze strategy. Before you leave the camp, have the chef freeze your milk bags flat in their deep freezer. Pack them tightly in a high-quality soft cooler with solid gel packs. Remember, when you hit US Customs and deal with TSA, breast milk is considered a medically necessary liquid. You are completely exempt from the standard liquid limits, even if your baby is not with you. Just confidently declare it to the agents and request a hand inspection if you want to skip the X-ray. Taking your baby on a Serengeti safari is the ultimate flex, and with the right luxury gear and a little bit of prep, your liquid gold is going to be perfectly safe. If you loved these tips and want more real talk on luxury travel and motherhood, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below telling us your dream vacation destination. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you in the next one. Safe travels, mamas.